Hello, this is Barry Hoey with Fry Realty. I'm showing one of my listings here today, and I thought I'd do a quick video to show you the resort style pool. This is beautiful, and this is certainly living in paradise. Nice shaded areas all around. Got your outdoor kitchen, private backyard, and a beautiful living space. Again, this is Barry Hoey with Fry Realty here in Naples, Florida. My email is barry@swflluxury.com. Again, that's barry@swflluxury.com. Email me for more information on this property. Thank you.